Every day, workers perform tasks that involve heat, sparks, or open flames. These are known as hot work operations, and while they're essential for building the world around us, they also come with serious risks. According to the National Fire Protection Association, nearly 30% of fire-related injuries in the construction industry are caused by hot work. That's thousands of incidents every year, many of them preventable. The reality is simple. One spark in the wrong place, one overlooked safety step, and you could face disaster. That's why OSHA Education School has developed the Hot Work for Construction Safety Training course, a powerful, comprehensive program designed to help you stay safe and protect your job site. In this course, you'll learn how to identify and control hazards before hot work begins. You'll get insight into key fire prevention strategies, including how to manage flammable materials and ventilate your workspace. You'll also master the proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, not just wearing it but knowing why and how each piece of gear shields you from burns, sparks, fumes, and injuries. You'll explore the permit-required hot work program, understand when and why it's enforced, and learn how to use checklists to ensure every box is ticked from fire watch to site prep to post-work inspections. Because fire safety isn't just about being alert during the job, it's about what you do before and after the work is done. Through real-world scenarios and interactive lessons, it's more than just reading rules so it sticks with you on the field. You'll gain the confidence to pause, evaluate, and make the right call even under pressure. The best construction crews aren't just fast and skilled, they're safe. And safety starts with knowledge. Whether you're a welder, foreman, or safety officer, this course will elevate your hazard awareness and empower you to take action. Enroll today in the Hot Work course.